Hello everyone, welcome to BTechTube. In my last video, I shown how to write YouTube tags to rank in YouTube and get more views. For that video, I am ranking on page 1, position 1 for this keyword and page 1, position 2 for this keyword. In this video, I will be showing how to do keyword research for YouTube videos. If we are meeting for the first time, my name is Vinod and I make YouTube growth related videos. This channel will be a good companion for your YouTube growth. Please do subscribe to the channel and set the bell notification to all so that whenever I put new videos, you will get notified. This video will be very helpful and it will be very useful for your longer run. So don't skip the video and watch it completely. Let's get into the video. YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google, with millions of users and billions of views. People get into YouTube to get entertained or to get some educational value. Audience seeks some solutions for the problem, like how to make money online, how to make a cake. You name it, YouTube will give a video for that. People will watch the video which ranking in the first page. To rank your video on the first page, for every video you must do a keyword research, especially when you are a smaller channel. First of all, what is a keyword? In simple terms, anything searched on search engine, whether a single keyword or a phrase, is considered as a keyword. Example, how to make money online, how to make a cake, how to run, how to buy a mobile, etc. Why keywords are so important for a video? You created a video and you know what your videos are about and what it will convey to your audience. But how YouTube will know that? Keywords are so important because they are the bridge between the people who are searching for and the content you providing to fill that need. Your keyword will help YouTube to understand what your videos are about. This will benefit YouTube to show your video to the correct audience whenever they search by the keywords. Then your videos will eventually grow up. There are two types of keywords, long tail keyword and a short tail keyword. Let's discuss what are those. 1 to 3 words phrases are called short tail keywords. The problem in the short tail keyword is most of the biggest YouTuber channel will already made a video for this. So there will be a huge competition and smaller channel cannot compete and rank in the first page. What is long tail keywords? Long tail keywords are longer and more specific keyword phrases that visitors are more likely to use when they are closer while typing in the search engines. Most of us won't type the entire phrases while searching in YouTube or Google, isn't it? We will select the closest match for the keyword when we type YouTube. So finding the correct keyword is the most important, and using in the metadata, that is title, description and tags, will rank your video for a longer time. Let's get into the PC and check how to use these tools to find the right keywords for your YouTube video.
Open any web browser, go to hsupertools.com. I leave the link in the description below, you can check it out. This is the home page. You can see different SEO tools here. If you have a blog and a YouTube channel, this tool would be very helpful to find the related keywords. As for now, we are interested in YouTube, so click on YouTube. This will take you through the YouTube keyword tool. In the left hand side area, you can see YouTube keyword research tool, and in the right hand side, you will see target keyword results. The target keyword results will shown here with search volume and difficulty. My video is about YouTube keyword research. I am entering my keyword here and hit search. It will take a couple of seconds to load the results. The results can be seen under related keywords search data. I will show how to use the keyword results in your title, description and tags. So watch it keenly. I am targeting low competition with high search volume keywords. In the filter, type as low. It will filter out all the low keywords here. Now sort by monthly volume. It will put the High volume keywords first. Take your relevant keyword for your video. Don't aim for any other keywords which is irrelevant to your current video, even though it will show a high volume. For example, first few keywords are irrelevant to me. Examples are Roberto Blake, Arif, are irrelevant to my video. I haven't have any word about these topics in my video. So even though it has high volume, I'm not going to touch it. The fifth keyword is YouTube keyword research, which is the exact match for my video, and you can see the monthly volume is also high. I will use this in my title, description and tags. Now I search for the relevant keyword, which is keyword research for YouTube. I don't use as it is. I will rephrase it as how to do keyword research for YouTube. Now I got the title. It would be like YouTube keyword research bar how to do keyword research for YouTube. As we are in the edge of 2020, I will add 2021 in my title. So someone search from then for next year, my videos will be shown first. Next is the description. For my convenience, I am exporting all the keywords to CSV to filter out easily. Click on export all to CSV. The file will be downloaded in the default download folder. Click on the CSV file to open and apply filter. In the difficulty tab, set as high and get relevant keywords for the video. Here some examples are rank YouTube video, ranking YouTube. I take those keywords and copy in a Word document. Then change the filter out to medium and extract the keywords with high volume and do the same for low as well. So form a paragraph with these keywords you got like this. This video is about how to do keyword research for YouTube 2021. YouTube keyword research is must for every video to rank higher in YouTube page. Don't give the keywords as it is in the description. It termed as tag spamming. So don't do that. Next is tags. You can do the same as you did in description. You can take the relevant tags from the Excel sheet and also compare with your competitor. Don't blindly copy and paste from YouTube or from your competitor because some tags might be irrelevant for your video. Don't blindly copy from your competitors tags as it look like easy, but it will not serve the purpose of it. This is how you can use H Super tool to get your keywords for YouTube. Hope this video helps you to understand about the importance of keyword and how to use in your videos. If you want more content like this, please subscribe to the channel and like this video. There are more YouTube growth related videos in this channel. Please go and check it out. We'll see you in another video. Until then, stay safe.